Geranium is one of the best colorful flowers that you can grow in India during the winter. In this video, I am going to show how to grow and take care of geraniums. From the month of October, geranium saplings can be found in plant nurseries. These saplings are kept in these small thumb pots. Now, they are needed to be transferred to slightly larger pots. For that, I will be using this paper cup. One hole is made at the bottom to release the extra water. As the soil, I am using the mixture of same amount of coco peat, garden soil and vermicompost. To take the saplings out of the pot, we need to heat it gently. After planting, make sure to add water properly. The saplings should be kept under partial shade after transferring to another pot. After 2 to 3 days, when they are stable in new soil, we can transfer them in direct sunlight. This is after 1 month. The saplings are now grown enough and can be transferred to the final pots. As the soil for final potting, I am using the mixture of 40% garden soil, 25% vermicompost, 25% coco peat and 10% sand. This mixture is well drained and contains enough nutrients. Due to the presence of coco peat, the soil mixture can also hold the required moisture. As the planter, I am using this earthen glass pot with 12 inches diameter. First, the hole at the bottom is being covered with the pieces of broken earthen pot so that the soil cannot block it and extra water can be released. Now, I will fill the pot with soil and plant the saplings. Two saplings are planted in a single pot. We can also use the pots with 8 or 10 inch diameter. Now adding water properly. In the same way, I have prepared these 3 pots. After 52 days, the plants have started growing and formed multiple new leaves. After 76 days, the plants have started producing buds. This is after 93 days. Multiple sticks containing a lot of buds are formed. The buds are ready to be bloomed. Very soon, we will be able to see nice and colorful flowers on them. It has been exactly 100 days since the day of the second potting. Some of the buds have bloomed. Day by day, the amount of flowers will also increase. If you see the geranium flowers for the very first time, you will really be amazed by their color and beauty. This is a must-have flower for every Indian garden during the winter. In India, these flowers start blooming in the middle of February. At this time, the average high temperature is around 28 degrees centigrade and the average low temperature is around 16 to 17 degrees centigrade. Now let's talk about the sunlight requirement of this plant. Geranium loves a lot of low temperature direct sunlight. They need direct sunlight for at least 5 to 6 hours a day to bloom well. As for the water requirement, I would suggest before watering, we should always check the topsoil and add water only when the topsoil is about to dry. Now let's talk about the fertilizer requirement. Geranium needs a balanced food. If we go for the organic care, then we have to use diluted rotten mustard cake solution in every 15 days. We can use chemical fertilizer NPK 15-15-15 in the soil as a slow release fertilizer. Or we can use NPK 20-20-20 as a foliar spray once in 15 days. Except this, we need to spray any micronutrient fertilizer. It contains the essential micronutrients like zinc, copper, boron, etc. This will help the plants to improve flower production capability. We have to spray any one of these on the plants once in a month. If we talk about insecticides, we did not find any special insect attack or disease on these plants. However, we spray organic pesticide neem oil on all of our plants periodically. These cares are enough to keep the geranium plants healthy and to get a lot of flowers from them. At the end of the March, they started producing the seeds. We can save the seeds for the next year. One amazing fact about geranium is that even after flowering for a long time, they again started producing new sticks and flowers even at the end of April. This is pretty amazing. We have now reached the end of the video. If you like our work, please hit the like button and share this video. To support us, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Have a nice day.